Good morning, friends, or good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Thursday Target, one of my favorite days of the week, even though you can't tell because I'm yawning. All right, since it's Thursday, you're going to need your pencil and your blue today, your blue crayon. So get your supplies and then come back and see me. Okay, since it's Thursday, as we read this, you should be reading along with me. How to grow your own pumpkins. Read to learn how one can grow pumpkins. It is easy to grow a pumpkin. First, make sure the soil is warm. This will most likely be in the late spring. Plant your pumpkin seeds about 1 inch deep. Then water your seeds. Soon a small green stem will grow out of the soil. 1. Check for weeds every day. 2. Water every day or two. 3. Take all but one of the pumpkins off the vine so that it can get all the food. 4. Let the pumpkin grow for 3 to 4 months. Harvest or pick your pumpkins from the leaf-filled vine when the pumpkins are orange and the size you want. This will be in the fall. You can then carve your pumpkin, or your mom can make a pumpkin pie. Have fun with your very own pumpkins. Great job. Okay, today we are going to go on a search for R-controlled vowels. So look at your R-controlled vowels poster. A-R, E-R, A-R-O-R, E-R-I-R-U-R. We're going to look for those. We're not looking for vowel teams. So again, your is out because we don't have an O-U-R on our vowel, on our R-control poster. We don't have an E-A-R. But find the other the other R-controlled vowels, and we're going to circle them. So for example, in first, there's I-R, the of first. Okay, pause the video, see how many you can find, and then come back and see what I have. Okay, that's a vowel consonant E, so it doesn't count, but A-R in warm, like calm, does. E-R in water, not your. E-R in every, E-R in water, E-R in every. O-R in for. I feel like I might have missed that one before. A-R in harvest, O-R in or. This is a trick word. It does count, but we have a silent E. So if you circled it, great. If you didn't circle it, that's fine. O-R in orange, A-R in carve, O-R in or, E-R in very. Okay, those are the ones I found. If I missed, an O-R in or a for somewhere around and you caught it, great job. All right, that's it. That's all the annotating for Thursday. Super easy week. Okay, let's look at the questions for Thursday. That's right, I said questions. Okay, this is not the question that we are going to answer today, although we could. What is the last step in growing your pumpkin? But the reason I want to look at this one really quickly is because this is a graphic organizer for a text structure that is sequenced. Remember on Tuesday we talked about our text structure is a sequence, first, next, then last. So first check for weeds, next water your plants, then let them grow for 3 to 4 months. And then in this box, they would want, all right, well, what do you do after you let them grow for 3 to 4 months? So you'd come over here, you'd underline, let the pumpkins grow for 3 to 4 months, and you'd underline whatever direction they told you to do right after that. So harvest or pick your pumpkins. That would be the answer here. But we are not doing that one. We are doing this question. Once the pumpkin is harvested, the author ends this selection with information on. Ends this selection. So you're going to go look at the end. A, how to get the right size pumpkin. B, what to do with the right pumpkin. C, how to make pumpkin pie. So you are either going to write A, how to get the right size pumpkin, or you're going to write B, what to do with the right pumpkin, or you're going to write C, how to make pumpkin pie. Once the pumpkin is harvested, the author ends this selection with information on. So find where it talks about harvesting the pumpkin and see what the author talks about after that. Pause, write down your answer, and then come back and check on mine. Okay, so if I'm looking for where it says to harvest, oh yeah, that's here. Harvest your pumpkins when they're ripe. This will be in the fall. Ooh, you can then carve your own pumpkins. Notice I'm underlining in blue because that's where I found my answer. Carve your pumpkins, or your mom can make a pumpkin pie. Now it does talk about pumpkin pie, but it doesn't tell how to make a pumpkin pie. It just says that when you're done harvesting, you could make a pumpkin pie. So my answer for Thursday should have been B, what to do with the right pumpkin. Let me write that in pencil. What? Now make sure on Thursday you go ahead and trace the word Thursday in blue so that if we look back at it, we can find, oh, there's my answer for Thursday. Okay, that's it. Till tomorrow. Thanks, friends.